Two flagship 2-in-1 laptops, Lenovo Yoga 9i or HP Spectre x360 14. Which one really delivers? On the left, the sleek, ultralight Lenovo Yoga 9i. On the right, the stylish and versatile HP Spectre x360 14. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before we jump in, let's get a quick overview. We're going to check these laptops across 6 categories: price and configurability, performance, battery life, display and inking, ports and connectivity, and design and build. Ready? Let's roll. Let's kick things off with price and configurability. So, the Lenovo Yoga 9i is priced pretty competitively, especially when you consider the high-end features that come packed in. But here's the thing. The base model is only available with a Core Ultra 7, which means there isn't really a budget-friendly entry point. If you're hoping to save a few bucks, it might not be the easiest pick. Now, moving to the HP Spectre x360 14, this one. Oh, it gets a little more flexible. You've got options starting from Core Ultra 5 all the way up to Ultra 7, so there's definitely more room if you're watching your wallet. Of course, those higher-end configurations can get kind of pricey, but at least you've got choices. Honestly, for folks who want options, the Spectre kind of takes the lead here. Next up is performance. The Yoga 9i boasts a strong Core Ultra 7 155H CPU, which is amazing. And hey, if gaming's your thing, it actually pulls ahead in FPS by about 10 to 14% in some tests against the Spectre. Not bad, but it's not super flexible when it comes to lower power CPUs. So if you're hoping for something a bit more battery-friendly, yeah, not here. Now, the HP Spectre x360 14 is rocking the Meteor Lake CPUs. These are newer, more efficient, and pack better multi-core performance and even some AI muscle with that NPU. Sure, it's only got integrated graphics, so it's not a gaming beast, but for productivity and future tech, the Spectre's a step ahead. So, the winner for performance, that's the HP Spectre x360. All right, moving on to battery life. The Yoga 9i, especially the Aura edition, comes with a beefy 75 watt-hour battery, which looks great on paper, but in real-world use, you're often seeing less than 8 hours, especially if you're rocking that high-res display. So yeah, not fantastic for all-day use. Now, HP Spectre x360 14 really shows off here. You're looking at up to 12 hours, which is phenomenal for a laptop this sharp. It's got a slightly smaller battery, but it's so much more efficient. If you hate scrambling for your charger, honestly, Spectre's hard to beat here. Oh, and did you know? The Yoga 9i's rotating soundbar isn't just a party trick. It actually pumps out some of the best laptop audio, whether you're in tablet, tent, or normal mode. Pretty cool, right? Display and inking time. Lenovo Yoga 9i serves up a gorgeous 2.8K OLED touchscreen. And the Aura edition? Wow. Up to 1100 nits peak. That's like breathtaking, especially outdoors. Colors are super vivid, and it even throws in a stylus, which is perfect for creative stuff. But keep in mind, the standard version's brightness is just 400 nits. Decent, but not crazy bright. HP Spectre x360 14, you get a 2.8K OLED at a buttery 120 Hz. Peak brightness at 500 nits. Anti-reflective glass, and color accuracy that pops. Stylus included here too. OLED flicker could be an issue, but honestly, most users will never notice. Bottom line, both are absolutely stunning. This one, yeah, I'd say it's a tie. Let's talk about ports and connectivity. Yoga 9i brings you 3 USB-C Thunderbolt ports, which is actually more than what HP offers. It's also a bit lighter, which is nice if you're always on the go. But it doesn't support Wi-Fi 7, so if you want next-gen wireless speeds, not happening here. Now to Spectre x360. It's got Wi-Fi 7 support on the top models and a modern port setup, but only 2 USB-C. Plus, it's slightly heavier, so not as easy to carry everywhere. If ports and weight matter for you, Yoga 9i clearly nails it here. And finally, design and build. Lenovo Yoga 9i is thin, light, even 120 grams less to haul around. And that chassis, top-notch metal, feels super premium. Oh, and here's something cool. The rotating soundbar is legit. It gives you killer audio no matter what mode you're in. Some folks might prefer HP's classic vibe, but hey, that's personal taste. HP Spectre x360 14 has a stylish, rock-solid design, and the anti-reflective finish is a dream for touchscreen use. Seriously, it's got the looks. Downside, it can pick up fingerprints pretty easily. And overall, it's just a bit bulkier. So, when it comes to design and portability, Lenovo Yoga 9i takes the crown. So, looking at the whole picture, each laptop is awesome in its own way. HP Spectre x360 14 wins on configurability, performance, and battery life. Lenovo Yoga 9i shines for ports, design, and those wild OLED brightness levels. And the displays, honestly, both are jaw-droppers. All right, so how should you pick? If you want something lighter, extra ports, and you care about ultra-bright OLED, especially that Aura edition, Yoga 9i is the way to go. But if longer battery, a future-proof CPU, and having loads of configuration options sound better, then Spectre x360 14 makes more sense. Both are super solid. It kind of comes down to whether you want to prioritize portability or endurance. If you learn something new or you're still torn between these two, make sure to follow us for more laptop breakdowns. You definitely don't want to miss the next big tech